Okay. Good morning, student. Welcome to our online classes. Exercise 6.3, question number 6. So, given here that you can see diagram is given here. I have prepared a diagram. So, the things which are given in this question is that in triangle PQR, QR is produced to a point S. This PQR. See here, this PQR. Here, QR is produced to S. Okay. And the angle bisector of angle PQR and PRS meet at point T. These are the angle bisector. Angle this line and this line. They are the angle bisectors of Q of R. They are meeting at point T. These are the given things to you. And the things which we need to prove is that angle QTR is equal to half of the angle QPR. It means here you want to prove that this QTR, this angle QTR, this angle, it will be the half of the angle QPR. This is a P. Okay. So for proving this, what we will do, see here in proof. Proof in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. Say in triangle PQR, QT. This is triangle PQR. This is QT. This is the bisector of angle PQR. This is the bisector of angle PQR. So because of this bisector, you can see here the angle is dividing into two parts. So let's give name to it. Suppose it is angle 3 here, here angle 4. So because of the angle bisector, this angle 3 and angle 4 will be equal to each other. Then right here that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And the similarly same thing we apply here, that TR is the bisector of PRS. So because of this angle 1, let them give name 1 and 2. They are equal to each other. So right here angle 1 equal to angle 2. Understood? Now, after that, we will take triangle PQR. And in triangle PQR, we will apply the exterior angle property of triangle. So in triangle PQR, PRS, this is the exterior angle of triangle PQR. And because of that, it will, the angle PRS, this angle PRS is equal to angle P plus complete angle Q. Complete angle Q will complete. So here you can see that angle PRS, this angle PRS, this angle PRS, it is formed by angle 1 and 2. So in place of angle PRS, can we write angle 1 plus 2? And same PQR, this PQR. This PQR is formed by angle 3 and angle 4. So in place of PQR, we will write angle 3 plus angle 4. And plus angle QPR will be as it is. Because the exterior angle property is that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. Okay. So here we will use that property. Now here you can see that angle 1 and 2 are equal. So in place of angle 1, we will take angle 2. This in place of this angle 1, we will take angle 2. And why we are using that, I will explain you later. Angle 1 plus angle 2, same here angle 4 plus angle 4 plus angle QPR. So it's become twice of angle 2, it's become twice of angle 4 plus angle QPR. Now why we are taking angle 2? See here, where here 2 and here 4. So why we have taken 2 and 4, twice of angle 2 and twice of angle 4. Instead of angle 1, we have taken angle 2, and instead of angle 3, we have taken angle 4. So why we have taken? See here, this angle 4 and this angle 2. Angle 2, this is the exterior angle of triangle QTR. Okay, 2. And that 4 is, it is the interior angle of triangle QTR. That's why we have taken in place of 1, 2 and 3 in place of 3, 4. Okay. Now, give equation 1. Now, in triangle TQR. In triangle TQR, you can see here that angle 2, it is the exterior angle. So, again we will apply exterior angle property of triangle. So, it will become 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle QTR plus angle 4. This angle and this angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite two interior angle. Understood? So here TRS become TQR plus angle QTR. See, TRS is your angle 2, PQR is angle 4 plus QTR. Now keep the value of angle 2 in equation 1. So when we are keeping the value of angle 2 in equation 1, what we will get? The twice of angle 4 plus angle QTR. In place of 2 we will keep that value, no? In place of 2 we will keep that value, angle 2, okay? So twice of angle 4 inside the bracket, angle 4 plus angle QTR equal to twice of angle 4 plus angle QPR. Now multiply by 2. Then you will get angle twice of angle 4 plus twice of angle QTR plus twice of angle 4 plus angle QPR. Now here transpose angle twice of angle 4 to here. Here we will transpose it. Then what we will get here? Twice of angle QTR is equal to twice of angle 4 plus twice of angle QPR minus twice of angle 4. That twice of angle 4 can be cancelled out. So you will get twice of QTR is equal to angle QPR, and it will become, when you transpose to here, and you will get angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. Thank you. Have a nice day.